going to Anne Frank's house. We took the train from Leiden to Amsterdam, around 40 minutes. And now we're going to ride the tram.
12:01
12:01 here?
to B2.
B2, don't know, there.
Not here.
There ang B2? Eh. Ano dito? Where's the big girl? Toro, big. Look at the central station.
Welcome to Amsterdam!
Amsterdam. So hot right now. It's around 24, 27 degrees Celsius. B1, chat? B2. Yeah, so this is the tram station is just outside the central station. This one 6 minutes. We're going to take the 6-minute tram. Nagunsa mo?
Nagtanaw-tanaw lang mga sa campus.
Window shopping? Pwede. Our last stop was to Mont. Anne Frank's house. Diri, uy. Turn left. Anne Frank's house. Cuties. Let's go. So I made reservation for Anne Frank house, I think 2 weeks ago, and we have the schedule of 12:30. So it's still 12:15. We received like an email that we should be at least 15 minutes early. No Filipino time here. Oh, I can see it now.
Arrived.
Yes, I know. We have arrived. We're here. There's not a lot of people. And front house. It's this one. Kiniguro. Wala ba yung pila, di ba?
Hi, is this the last, you're the last on the queue? Are you the last? Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, my God. Inside our friend's house. The first time I've heard about this.
Ladies, you have a ticket?
Yes,
Yes.
Please.
Everyone's saying that. Everyone, like everyone is saying that.
yes, we have.
Museum card.
Inside if you are.
I'll check.
No tickets there.
Try to call in sick maybe one.
Yeah, that's good. Very good. Yeah, you need to show it inside. Just
Okay.
put it in your pocket for now. Yeah, that's fine.
So, if you need to book Anne Frank's house, where do they go?
They just go to the website, search for Anne Frank's house,
And then
Amsterdam, and then it
they
will
have
lead
to
them
choose a time, a day and time.
Right.
And then,
And then it would just lead them to like the dates.
the dates.
So if you have a museum card, you have just to pay only €1. But if not, if you're a tourist, I think for adults it's €17.
Yeah, so this
Per
is
head.
what a museum card looks like. So we have all the three of us have. And you have to show your tickets. So make sure to have those before you fall in line.
Right.
So hot.
So we have the tickets, 3 of us, and museum cards.
Museum card for the three of us.
Yes, then you can
So
go
can
to
we go in?
inside
Okay.
and then to the front desk, and there they will scan your.
Alright.
Okay, thank you. Wait for one down. Hi, I have a ticket and thank you. Video. Wow.
Okay.
Okay, the
Okay,
audience.
okay. So, it's okay to
So we'll be
film
given.
here, but
Ay, naka-on
after
ko?
the gate,
Uy,
yeah.
naka-on ko.
Yeah.
Basta nag-ano.
After the gate, no phones or the cameras down. And then we will be given the headset for the translation. So they have different translations. It's that one.
That's audio guide.
Huh?
Audio guides.
Audio guides. Alright, thank you. This is the very staircase from the old grandfather's house. Oh my gosh. This was it. Hmm? Oo. Wala nakasulod yan, di ba? So from the original house, pagid na. Oh, mommy. Oh my gosh. These floors, they've felt, they've heard these stairs. Nakadari. The storeroom. This is the view. This is the view from the storeroom. We're now walking to the hiding place.
Towards the hiding place. It's in the annex at the rear of the premises. The connecting door to the landing with the movable bookcase was locked during the period in which they were in hiding. The hiding place was behind the movable bookcase. For more than 2 years, the people hiding there lived under great pressure and in constant fear of being betrayed and discovered. After the 8 people in hiding were arrested, the hiding place was emptied on the orders of the occupying forces. The secret annex is still empty. Otto Frank didn't want to put back any furniture. However, the display cabinets show a few personal belongings of the people in hiding. The audio tour stops here.
So we are also going to the real hiding place. Wow. This is where they go out if they want. So they have to duck and jump. Wow. Very torn up with all the dusts. accumulated. It's really very narrow. One by one. It's very steep and very narrow to go up. So we just finished our Anne Frank house tour. Cameras are not allowed inside. I was able to film very short clips only, but it was surreal to walk, to be in the room where they all slept, where Anne Frank wrote her diaries. Even the smallest details, the old furnitures, the old sink, was really surreal. Goosebumps. Grabe. So if you come here in Amsterdam, make sure to book ahead your tickets to Anne Frank Museum or Anne Frank's house. So many people in Amsterdam. City.